If the salary of Ram is 33.33% more than Lakshman's, then by how much percentage is Lakshman's salary less than that of Ram? Now, 33.33 percentage, the fraction equivalent is 1 by 3. And more, that means the multiplier will be 1 by 3, that is 4 by 3. So, if we assume Lakshman's salary as, let's say, 3x, then Ram's salary will be 4 by 3 into 3x, that is 4x. Then, by how much percentage is Lakshman's salary less than that of Ram? That means we have to compare it with Ram's salary. So Ram's salary will come in the denominator. Now Lakshman's salary is 3x, Ram's is 4x. So Lakshman's salary is 1x less than Ram's salary. So it will become 1x upon 4x into 100. X will get cancelled out. Answer comes out as 25%.